Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Google's Coding Competition 2023. So first we will see what is this Google's Coding Competition and what is the benefit of attending this. So if you want to grow your coding skills and if you want minded developers or if you want to join the virtual coding community, if yes, then Google's Coding Competition can help you a lot. So now we'll see what is this and what are all the main coding competitions which is conducted by Google this year and what is the registration process, how one can register, how one can attend those rounds and how you want to prepare yourself, make yourself ready to attend this Google's coding competitions. So first, what is Google's coding competitions? So this is designed by the engineers at Google and these coding challenges are conducted by the organization every year to assess the coders around the world. And it is a great way to showcase your programming skills and problem solving skills at the international level. So this year also they have planned to conduct the coding competitions. And here the most popular among all the competitions are Hashcode, CodeJam and Kickstart. So let's take a look at each of the competition in detail. First we'll see about CodeJam. Now, so this is the Google's longest running global competition and here it is Google's longest global coding competition where coders from all over the world take part and they will test their coding skills. So there are 3 online hosted rounds before the annual CodeJam World Finals, which is held at the International Google office every year. So in each round, the participants have to solve challenging algorithmic puzzles within a limited time frame. And at the end, 25 participants will compete for cash prizes and they will be getting championship title at the annual CodeJam World Finals. And you can also get the previous year problems as well. So this is all about CodeJam and here are the rounds which is conducted in CodeJam. So first one is a qualification round. Then we have 3 rounds, that is round 1, round 2, round 3, then World Finals. So we have a set of all these rounds. So it actually started back in 2003 as a competition limited to the top coder area and it got its global phase in 2007. So as of now, all the programmers of all levels from across the globe, they put their coding skills to test through a series of online algorithmic puzzles and challenges, which is designed by the Google engineers to grab a spot in the World Finals and a chance to win the championship title as well as US dollar also. So here, we will see the eligibility criteria and the registration process. So before that, CodeJam consists of few rounds followed by the World Finals. One must clear the algorithmic challenge in each round to reach the next level and ultimately reach among the top 25 coding wizards who will compete for the championship title. So here the first one is a qualification round, right? So this round has basic or easy difficulty level questions to test your basic knowledge and problem solving skills. And those who score minimum qualifying points within 27 hours progress to the next level. So next level is round 1. So here the real competition begins and there will be 3 sub rounds in round 1. That is like 1A, 1B and 1C. You will get only 2.5 hours and there will be 3 problems that will be more difficult than those in the qualification round. Here in each round, the top 1500 competitors will enter the next round and you can participate in as many rounds as possible until you rank in the top 1500 in managed round 2. Like if you have managed to get into the top 1000 in round 2, then you can enter round 3 of this competition and here you will be getting a Google CodeJam t-shirt as a limited edition one and this 1000 participants compete to grab a spot in the top 25 and compete in the World Finals. Finally, in finals, it is not hard to guess that it is the toughest round of all because in this round, the top 25 participants compete with each other and previous year's CodeJam winner to win the tournament title along with an amount of 15,000 US dollars. So this is a rewards which is every year for students as well as professionals. And owing to the previously pandemic situation was there, right? At that time, they actually conducted to be a virtual event. So this is actually a team event where you have to make a small teams of 2 to 4 members. 2 to 4 coders can be there in one team. From wherever you would like, you can get it from the hub. And in this challenge, the team tries to solve a real Google engineering problem through an online qualification round. So all the teams will compete together virtually in locally coordinated hash code hubs, and the top teams from this round will compete for the virtual world finals. And in this qualification round, each team will get 4 hours to provide an optimized solution to, and this is also held every year where coders around the world take part and get a chance to enhance their coding skills. And this is an online coding competition that offers single rounds throughout the year. So in each round, you will write a code to solve the algorithmic problem that have multiple layers of difficulty. So there are some online hosted rounds held regularly throughout the year. And each round is open to all, and there is no pre-qualification needed here. So you can participate in one, or if you want to participate in all the rounds, you can even participate in all the rounds. So each round will be there for a 3-hour program, so which has a variety of algorithmic and mathematical problems. So taking part in any one round gives you okay, what is going to happen. You'll get an idea, and you'll be able to set recruit for a career at Google, right? And after each round, you can check your global ranking and performance analysis of that particular round. So you will also be able to see the results also, and you can see the code of the previous Kickstart rounds as well. And so you see, among these three things, if you are at the beginner level in the world of programming or coding, I'll recommend you Google Kickstart is the best option available to you. Because as mentioned above, Google Kickstart consists of online coding challenges which is conducted throughout the year, right? And you can enhance your programming and coding skills while comparing with the other two competition. This is the best suited for beginners. Like what you can do is you can go through all the 3 coding competitions, each and every part, like previous year questions, how it was conducted previous year, all those stuffs you can go through it. And later you can decide which one you should concentrate more, and you can prepare accordingly and you can take it forward. So if you really want to get a flavor of the kinds of problems that engineers at Google have to deal with, you need to upskill yourself. So what are all the preparation steps? So before that, we'll see the eligibility criteria. Here, the contestant must be at least 16 years of age at the time of registration. But anyway, in order to participate the final round, the contestant must be at least 18 years old. And he or she must have a valid Google account to enter the contest, as well as he is not eligible if he or she is a current employee or intern or director of Google or Alphabet or their affiliates. So this is the eligibility criteria. So the main thing is age. It should be minimum 18, and in order to attend the final round, you should minimum 16, and for final, it should be minimum 18 years of old. Now here we can see the registration process. To enter the contest, you must first create a profile at Google Coding Competitions. So after creating the profile, you will be able to register for the Google contest, and you need to register for each contest. It is not like if you have participated in Google Code Jam, you need to sign up for the, like if you have registered for Code Jam, it is not meant you can participate on Hashcode and Kickstart. So for each contest, you need to register separately, but only one profile is needed. So first you should create your contest profile. After that, you can register on each coding competitions. Then you can start with it. And please make sure all the information you provide during the registration is accurate. And how to prepare. So here are some preparation tips for you. So before that, these are the main part, like you should learn any programming language basics. So data structures and algorithms plays a very important role in this coding competitions. So get yourself familiarized with the programming language. You can choose any one, like if you want, you can go with C++, Java or Python and get familiarized with it. refresh your knowledge about the fundamental algorithms and data structures like graphs, stack, queue, list, arrays, all these steps, right? And you can utilize the resources which is provided by the Google also to prepare for these competitions. And you should practice the past year problems so that you will get a broad idea how you can move forward. And the most important tip is you should know how to build the edge cases, hidden test cases, how to clear the hidden test cases, how to correct the errors, and all those stuffs. So you must try to participate in one or all of these coding challenges and all these three competitions which is organized by Google now, which is equally important for participate in order to improve your coding skill. So it is going to be a lifelong experience for you people, and you will learn a lot from here. Right. So these coding challenges can help you in a great way if you want to get job at Google's as well. So there are chances that you may be conducted, it may be like contacted by the Google for a direct interview. If you perform very well in these competitions, there is a chance of getting job directly, right? So without entering other rounds or other parts center. So this is how this Google's coding competition is important. So now let's see the official page of this part. I'll show you where you can get all the information regarding these coding competitions and all those stuffs. Here you can see. So I'll send you this link later. Here we can see this is the official website page of Google's coding competitions 2023. And here, if you want to see the past competition, you can view those things here. So the main part here, it is first we need to sign in. As I told you already, my first step is I need to create the profile, right? So in order to create the contest profile, I'm supposed to, let me click on the sign in. Yeah, so you should have your own Google account in order to register here. So first you can sign in using your Google account. One second. Yeah. Now we can see. So once you sign in with your Google account, you will be able to fill your set your contest profile. So if you want, you can give any nickname, and here location you are present now. You can give it. So here the name you can give and the location of residence. And preferred coding language you can select among C, C++, Java, Python. Then your professional status. And if you want to contact it about job opportunities at Google, you can give S. Similarly, if you want to use any information and all, you can give a S. So I'm at least 16 years old and I agree. So once you fill this form, like once you fill all these events, finally if you click on this, you will be able to create a profile. So let me show you So parallelly, if you people want, you can create it now. And here, if you want, you can give S. And preferred coding language. If you are comfortable with any language, like whatever the language they have given, you can choose among it. Okay, should give some different name. Yeah, so now my profile is done. So this is how you will create the profile. So once you created your profile, we can see the Google's coding competitions. So now here, so the first one that is hash code, then code jam. Yeah. So say for example, if I click on code jam, so here we can see all the details about code jam. So what is involved? So as I told you already, this is the longest running global coding competition. And here we will be getting first qualification round, then finally word finals. And for winners, championship title as well as 15,000 US dollars. And if we click on learn more, here we can see what is code jam and how it actually works. So this is all about, and in schedule we can see the registration date. So when the registration is opening, it is opening on February 1, 2023, and you can register yourself till March 12, 2023. Here we can see the round also. So qualification round will be conducted from March 10 and the end time is March 12. That is a duration of 27 hours. And round 1. So in round 1, overview of this part, who and all is eligible and how to register. If you are unable to register, what are all the things you can do. So everything is here. So how to prepare and what is the platform, other platforms you have and all those stuffs. So here we can see the set of code jam rules about the age and yeah, 2021. So from when it has started, for all the years they have given it. So these 5 things you can clearly explore and go through in order to get all the necessary informations regarding code jam. So first you can see what is this and what is the timeline, what is the schedule of it, and what are all the rules to be followed, how you can register and all those stuffs. And not only for code jam, so if you want to check for hash code, you can simply click on hash code and the same way you can see this. So what is hash code, how it is working, and here it is a team, right? So 2 to 4 coders will be there. So here we can see the schedule and how to select the team members to participate in Hashcode 2023 and frequently asked questions as well as the previous year problems. Yeah. So here you can see about the winning team and what in a Kickstart also. So this is the official website. I'll share you the link in description. So you can go through the link later so that you will get a clear idea of how we can work on all these things. Make yourself registered in all the 3 competitions and you can start preparing yourself. Thank you, people.